1996 Chevy Impala steering wheel. Obviously it is worn smack out. We've done a lot of these Impalas over the years. People love those old Impalas, and we're going to make this one look gorgeous once again. We'll strip that old leather off, clean the wheel up real nice, put new factory leather back on it, and upholster it nicely. It is going to be amazing. We'll look at the results after we transform it. Look at this gorgeous 1996 Chevy Impala, ready to go out, completely restored back to factory new leather that matches the interior. Really looks good. So this is what we do at Craft Customs. We restore any steering wheel in the world, whether it be leather or wooden leather or carbon fiber, whatever it is on any steering wheel, or the old classic steering wheels. We restore them all here at Craft Customs. So just visit our website at craftcustoms.com, where you'll see thousands of pictures of the different work that we've done over the years, and give us a call at craftcustoms.com, 214-564-1170.